to our lean video. This video is about an improvement regarding the way that we cut our Velcro. Because we do so many continuous improvement ideas, we tend to label a lot of things. And as you can see, the way that we pull the Velcro off the roll is not very efficient, as it keeps falling. And as you can see, Bobby is fumbling and probably getting a little bit frustrated with how long this is going to take him to cut 25 pieces of Velcro. So stay tuned and we will show you our improvement. Okay, welcome back. So the improvement that Bobby has made here is he added just a little piece of wire that attaches to the file holder, which then allows the felt roll to sit on top of it, and then he can just pull it out as needed and it rolls nice and smooth. There's no fumbling, there's no Velcro falling on the floor. Big improvement, saves time and frustration for the employees. Thanks for watching.